You can only manifest love in your life if you truly love yourself. Without having love for yourself, you would give chances to people, to boys, and to girls who will going to ruin your life, who will leave you traumatized. Because if you do not know the definition of love that starts from self, then how can you expect yourself to manifest a great guy or a great girl in your life? How will you even know if that person is a perfect partner for you? So many a times people think that having a good having a good partner means you can enjoy your life with them. But no, having a good partner means you can sit idle with them. You can build great habits with them. You can work towards a common goal, which is to improve your life. Always looking for some entertainment or always looking for a thrill in your relationship is not a sign of having a good partner. Because eventually the goal of a couple is to get married, and when you are married you live with that person 24/7, right? you like, dislike so many things about them, but you still adjust. You try to make them understand, this is bothering me, and if they are the good partner, then they will definitely change, bring that change in their life. So yeah, when you get married, there will be so many days that when your life will be boring. You won't have a thrill, you won't have you know like party kind of vibe. So that is the reality of a married life. But when you guys have a purpose, when you guys have a common goal to be the best version of yourself, to have a great family, to have a great standards, and to have a great a great financial health, spiritual health, physical health, then definitely there will not be any time when you will feel boring, because you're not seeking entertainment, you're not seeking thrill, you are seeking success, you are seeking um positivity in your life, you're seeking peace, spirituality, you're seeking abundance into your life. And when you understand that this is what your goal is, you actually start working on it every single day. You will not just improve yourself, improve your life, but also you will encourage your partner to improve their life as well, and together you can do wonders. So this is what a great partnership looks like. Trust me. If you feel that you are getting like life is getting boring, and life is, it has no meaning just because you guys are not partying anymore, you guys are just sitting idle, watching Netflix, and you guys are not having fun, and then you feel that you need some change. That is where the problem starts, which means that you never get married to to build a life. You married to have fun for your life, for your entire life, which is just not possible. Even if you do not get married, there will be time, there will be so many days when you won't have fun. So marriage is a partnership, and manifesting a perfect partner into your life requires you to delete the word perfect, because nobody is perfect. It's just that some you know there will be some flaws in you, there will be some flaws in your partner, and they should be they should be to the extent where it is not harming you. Like like if I talk about my partner, he he smokes, right? So yes, I do get bothered about it, but when I started dating him, I knew that he smokes, right? But now he is controlling, because he knows that if he wants to get married, if he wants to get if he wants to start a family with me, he has to leave smoking, right? So he is working toward it without me without you know without taunting me that, see, I'm doing this for you, I'm doing that for you. No. Likewise, I do get panic, like when there is a deadline and I'm just running behind the time, so I do get panic. So he keeps telling me that, you get panic a lot, so you need to do things with a calm mind. So yeah, I'm working on it, right? Because I know how to control my breath, I know how to how this why I get panic, and why you know I lose my calm. So I'm working on it, right? So this is how partnership looks like. It's not like it shouldn't be like that, that your partner is violent, and he is or she is raising you know raising their voice towards you all the time, scolding you, disrespecting you, and also use violence against you. So those are the things that can't be ignored, those are the things that can't be you know can't guarantee that this thing will go away, because it's something that it's harming you directly, right? It's harming you and your family. It will drain the energy out of you, it will make you lose your confidence and so many things. So do not be blind when it comes to choose your partner. Always have standards, and you can have standards only when you have standards for yourself, that this is what I'm not going to settle for. I'm not going to tolerate this kind of shit or habit in my life. So, and when you build standards for yourself, you you tell yourself, like you tell universe that I love myself first. And when that self love starts to develop in your mind, in your heart, that's when you are ready to manifest a good partner for your life. So this is how you actually manifest a partner that 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 can become your soulmate, your best friend for life. And it all starts from self love. So this was my take on how to manifest a great partner into your life. There's no perfect person, so forget about finding perfection in every person you date in your life. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you like it, I hope you understand what I am trying to convey here. And please support my channel, subscribe, press the bell icon, and share this video with people who are desperately looking for a partner. So with that note, I wish you a great week ahead, and bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.